Hello YouTube, this is the programmer and this is part 4 I believe of our learning HTML um series. So in this video we are going to learn paragraph tags and what they are and what they do. So what a paragraph tag looks like is just like any other regular tag. You start off with a less than sign, a greater than sign, a less than sign, the text, and then a greater than sign. And the text in this tag is going to be just a P, so that will set your paragraph. What paragraphs are is it's like a real paragraph. You just type stuff and it'll show up on your web page. Like this is a paragraph, um, period. And then if I save this, I go to a website and I refresh, it'll say this is a paragraph. And this is very useful because in paragraphs you could do many like stuff. You could put like URL tags, anything, pretty much. So let's make a paragraph. Uh, so welcome to my website. Period. And then you could put like and also one thing to note is like when you make a paragraph or anything, even if I click enter on Notepad++, it'll start a new line here. But even if I type something here like created by the programmer 7 period, even if I do that, like right now it looks nice, but if I go over here and refresh, it'll all be in one line. If you don't want it all to be in one line, what you can do is right after you finish writing the first line, just make a tag called BR, and it'll be kind of like the HR tag. You don't have to close it, but you just make them like this, BR, and then if you save it and you go back and then you refresh, it'll make a line break, so it'll stop the line there and start a new line. And since I made a BR text here, if I were to make a new line like I don't know, I'll just type anything because I don't know what to type, and I go back and refresh, it'll say that. Then you have to make as many as you want, because like if I just click enter again and do this again, it'll be in the same line. So it'll start in the same line. So just yeah, so if you want your text separated by a line, just type in BR as the tag. Okay, so I guess I'll just leave this as my paragraph to show you guys. And now we have time to learn about how to insert a URL like link to a page. So to insert a URL, you can pretty much insert it like anywhere. They're mostly used in the body though, so like in a paragraph or something. So I can put like uh, actually I'm not gonna put it in a paragraph. I'm gonna make a new header. So I'm gonna put header 1, and then inside this header, the you could put, well, the tag for a URL is a href, and then you can set that equal to whatever the URL is, so blah 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 .com. And then you close that off, and then the closing tag is just /a. So that's what a URL would look like. So a href, and then equal, and then whatever your tag is under quotes. Oh, remember to put those quotes, or else it's not going to show it right. So under quotes you put whatever you want, and then you close it by having a /a. So in this header I'm just going to put my favorite, I don't know, most visited, and then close that tag, or close the header tag, so h1. So then here I'll put one of the most visited sites. I'll just put https or http//youtube or www.youtube.com. And then so if I were to save this right now, so save it and go back to the page, refresh. Oh, oops, refresh. It'll say most visited, but it's not gonna have the link. And the reason it doesn't have the link is because I didn't write any text to display the link on. So like before you end the as you can like I said, your end tag is gonna be less than sign slash a. So before you end it and before and after the greater than sign, type in whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put YouTube, and this is what it's gonna display on the website. So if I save this and I go back to the website, I'll show you. And I refresh, it'll say most visited, and then it'll say YouTube, and it's gonna be blue and underlined. And what it's gonna do is if I click on it, it's gonna take me to YouTube.com, which was the link I put. Except my internet is being kind of weird right now, so don't don't worry about that. So yeah, um, and then whoops. So yeah, and then if you want to like make this in a new tab, or actually I'm not gonna show you that yet, but yeah, so that's how you insert a link, and then you can insert other links like in the same header if you want. I mean the same like section, just like make a line break by BR like I said, and then you can make another link. Set that equal to I don't know www.google.com, and then we'll set the name as Google, and then just end the tag. If we save this and we go back to our page, Google will be on here. So yeah, that's how you make a URL tag. So let's go ahead and save this, and I'm gonna make another line break there, cause just for next tutorial. And that's probably gonna be it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.